How to send Bitcoin from Robinhood to another wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So, in order to send the Bitcoin from Robinhood, you need to get an address for the another wallet where you want to send the Bitcoin. Suppose I want to send it to Binance. I would just simply open up Binance, then go to Spot Wallet and wait for it to load. On your Spot Wallet, just simply click on this option of deposit. Now select the option of deposit crypto, and here the first option is select coin. Over here you need to select Bitcoin, and for that just simply select the BTC ticker, and after that select the network. Make sure that you select the Bitcoin network, then you would get the address. Simply copy this particular address. After that open up your Robinhood account, and on your Robinhood just simply select the option of Bitcoin and then click on the option of send. And after that you need to select the Bitcoin, and then it would ask you to paste the address. Simply paste the address that we just copied from Binance, and this way you would be prompted to type the amount that you want to send, and after that just type the amount, verify your transaction, and you would be good to go. And this is how easy it is to send the Bitcoin from your Robinhood wallet to your Binance account or any other wallet for that matter. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.